Hey, welcome everybody. We are in class Human Resource Information Systems, or HRAS 440. So a lot of good stuff going on this next few weeks. I like this class. I've taught it a couple of other times. I don't teach it a whole lot, but I enjoy it. We look at different ways that we can use to leverage technology and improve HR and the larger organization. And you can see we're on the screen, we've got Unit 1, which is the evolution of HR technology. And it's kind of interesting because the organization in which I work, we're going through some evolution of technology itself. From the HR perspective, we had an HRIS system, but it wasn't utilized very well. It wasn't utilized to its maximum. And over the past 3 years that I've been there, we've really started trying to explore that and implement ways to more fully maximize that technology. We've implemented a learning management system, which we didn't have well used before. We had one, but they just didn't really use it. It was one of those, hey, let's have one, but nobody did anything with it. And then we also purchased an applicant tracking system because that was all done on paper. We received paper applications where folks would submit their application via our website, but then HR had to print it off and hand deliver it to the hiring manager. So it really created a lot of issues when it came to compliance and data analytics and things like that. So we do all that via technology now as well. So when we get back to the course, you can see if this happens to be your first class at Southwestern University, you can see on the left-hand side there's announcements. And the course page should load to your announcements when you open that course page. Faculty and course information has information about my contact, as well as the syllabus, which I encourage you to review because it has a number of timely items of interest in the course. Academic resources, don't overlook that. There's a lot in there. The writing center's in there, APA formatting resources, things of that nature. When you get into the body of our class itself, there is a class question board. Please post your questions there if you're so inclined, understanding it's not a private forum. Anybody in the class can see it. So also, if you don't hear from me within about 12 hours, please reach out via an alternative method, text, phone, email, any of those. I'm subscribed to it, but occasionally the system will glitch or I'll just miss it. I've done that before as well. And then you can see each of our units that we're going to cover over the next 6 weeks. Each unit corresponds to about a week. Class starts on Monday morning, closes out on Sunday night at midnight Central Standard Time. So that gives you an idea of how to help manage your time as we work through the course itself. So we're going to start with the evolution of HR technology, which we talked about just a little bit. You can see the learning objectives up there. Unit 2 is HRIS implementation, and we've got some experience there that we'll talk about. Unit 3, of course, is cost, compliance, and reporting. Unit 4 is technology classifications. Unit 5, privacy and security. And man, if you don't think that's a hot topic these days, I will tell you, we're going to have a lot of fun in that one. And then we're going to wrap up with AI, social media, and the future of HR technology, or technology in general. And I'll tell you, that's another one that's continuing to grow by leaps and bounds. So with that in mind, please take a few moments to poke around the course. You aren't going to break it, and there's a lot of interesting stuff in there. I do believe there is a team assignment, and if so, I'll assign the teams within week 2. I don't do that at the beginning of the course, just simply because we have people that late enroll, others that drop, and I don't want to create class groups or teams and then all of a sudden have to redo it. It's frustrating for everybody, so I usually wait until the second week. With that in mind, I look forward to working with each of you over the next few weeks. Please let me know how I can help you, and otherwise I'll see you in the class. Good luck.